Hello students, now today I am going to give you the exercise of 2A. Okay, first of all I would like to say that in my previous video I had given the spelling of this promoter wrong. By mistake I had written wrong. The correct spelling is PRO. O I had not written. Okay, PROMOTER. Okay, so your first question of exercise 2A is, what is a chemical reaction? This answer you will get in page number 21. In the second paragraph you will get what is a chemical reaction. Second one, state the conditions necessary for a chemical change or reaction. I think you remember that so many conditions I had given: mixing, close contact, pressure, light, electricity, catalyst, okay, solution, pressure, heat. Okay, so many conditions I had given. So you have to write all the conditions and one reaction also. Now second question, define the following terms. First one is chemical change. You will get this answer in page number 21, first para. Second one is chemical bond. This answer also you will get in page number 21 only. Third one is effervescence. In page number 23, left side you will get what is the meaning of effervescence. Fourth one is precipitate. You will get in page number 23, right side. Now answer number 3. Give an example of a reaction where the following are involved. First one is heat. You have to give one example for these conditions. Okay, for heat I have given the example of CuCO3. Okay, when it decomposes in the presence of heat, it decomposes into copper oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, second one, light, I have given the example of photosynthesis. Okay, third one, electricity, I have given the example of water. Okay, fourth one, close contact, this example, lead nitrate and potassium iodide example I have given. And remember, I have not written the name of the particular substance. You have to write the name also. Okay, CuCO3, okay, copper carbonate you have to write here. Okay, water and glucose, okay, like this you have to write. Next one is solution. Okay, so sodium chloride in aqueous form and silver nitrate in aqueous form. When these two are reacting together, they form the precipitate of silver chloride and aqueous form of sodium nitrate. Next one is pressure. I have given the example of ammonia. Last one is catalyst. So I have given the example of potassium chlorate. In this manganese dioxide is acting as a catalyst. Now answer number 4. What do you mean by photochemical reaction? Photochemical reaction, you will get the answer in page number 21, 4th point, light. When any chemical reaction is going on in the presence of light, that is called photochemical reaction. And when any chemical reaction is going on in the presence of electricity, that is called electrochemical reaction. One example also you will give. Electrochemical reaction you will get in page number 22, 5th point. Now question number 5. Give an example of each of the following chemical changes. Okay. Question number 5. You have to give one example for these conditions. One example you have to give. Some examples are, mostly all the examples are given in your chapter only. Some are not given, that I am giving you. First one is a photochemical reaction involving silver salt and water. Okay, answer number 5. A, first one, photochemical reaction involving silver salt. Okay, photochemical reaction involving silver salt. So this one is silver chloride. Sunlight will get silver and chlorine. Okay, second one is water. Okay, for water you will get in page number 21 only. Just I am giving you the example. This example of this photosynthesis only you can write 6CO2 plus 12 H2O. See, in this water is involved. You will get glucose and oxygen. Next one, B, a reaction involving blue solution. Okay, a reaction involving blue solution. First one is blue solution. That example of copper sulfate you have to give. You will get ferrous sulfate and copper. Okay, you have to write the names also. I am not writing. This one is blue color. Okay, second one, formation of dirty green precipitate. That also I explained. Dirty green, FeSO4 plus sodium hydroxide. Okay, when ferrous sulfate is reacting with sodium hydroxide, both are in aqueous form. That also you have to mention. You will get ferrous hydroxide and sodium sulfate. Okay, next one is C1. Two gases combine to form a white solid. Two gases to form a white solid. It is also given in your book. Two gases, NH3 plus hydrochloric HCl gas. They are in gaseous form. Ammonium chloride, which you will get in solid form. Okay. D1. Two solids combine to form a liquid. That also given in your book in page number 23 only. When carbon in solid form is reacting with sulfur, which is also in solid form, you will get carbon disulfide, which is in liquid form. Okay, now E. A reaction where color change is noticed. So for this you have to write this reaction only, first one. B, first reaction only you have to write, because in this the blue color is changing into green color. Okay, so this reaction only you have to write for this answer. Okay, now question number 6. Write the chemical reaction where the following changes are observed. Question number 6. Following changes are observed. First one is gas is evolved. All the characteristics are asking. So gas is evolved. You can give example of zinc and sulfuric acid. You will get zinc sulfide and hydrogen gas. This is the first one. Second one, what is asking? Color change is noticed. Again the change of color is asking. The same reaction, iron and copper sulfate. This reaction only again you have to write. You will get ferrous sulfate and copper. Okay, you have to write here. Blue color changing to green color. Okay. Now C1 is precipitate is formed. Very simple example, when silver nitrate in aqueous form is reacting with sodium chloride. In aqueous form you will get silver chloride precipitate and sodium nitrate. Okay, in aqueous form. Okay, now last one, physical state is changed. Again, either you can give this example or this example. Any example you can give. C plus, when carbon is reacting with sulfur, both are in solid form, you will get carbon disulfide, which is in liquid form. Okay, physical change is evolved. For this you can give this answer. Now question number 7, give reason for the following. Question number 7, give reason for the following. In this 4 questions are there, you have to write the answer, you have to write the reasons for this. Okay, so first one is silver nitrate solution is kept in colored bottles. Okay, silver nitrate solution is kept in colored bottle. Your answer is because it decomposes in the presence of light. Because it decomposes in the presence of light. So to avoid this problem, it always kept in the colorless bottle. Okay, to avoid this problem, silver nitrate solution is always kept in the colored bottles. Okay, sorry, colored bottles. Okay. Second one, molybdenum is used in the manufacture of ammonia. So why? Because I told you, because it increases, because molybdenum is acting as a promoter and it is used to increase the efficiency of the catalyst. Okay, so that is why, because it increases the efficiency of the catalyst, iron used in the manufacture of ammonia. C1, blue solution of copper sulfate changes to green when a piece of iron is added to this solution, because the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades, means color is fading. Okay, fades and eventually turns into light green. Due to the formation of ferrous sulfate. Formation of ferrous sulfate. You can write FeSO4 also. Last one, colorless concentrated sulfuric acid in a test tube changes to blue on adding a small piece of copper to it, because copper displaces hydrogen from sulfuric acid, or H2SO4 you can write, H2SO4, and forms blue colored copper sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Hydrogen gas is evolved. Okay, so these are the answers of question number 7. So you have to write all the question answers in your copy and you have to learn it. Okay, thank you so much.